So we got a whole branch here we got to pull out. That branch goes all the way back there. Our pole is underneath that orange flag. So we're gonna tie this up to the boat. Try to haul this log out of here. I would go ahead and get it tied up.
I'm gonna get it over there a little bit. I'm trying to pull the front end over. I think there's another one. Okay.
All right.
See if we even move. No.
Yeah. Early.
You ain't doing nothing. No.
It's coming.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess it is. Something.
All right.
Huh?
Oh, it's getting ready to break.
It's still moving.
And hopefully we can ease back in there, get this opened up over here. We can get our pole out of here.
Now it's going a little easier. Come back around.